In this video, let's look into one of the agent available within Microsoft 365 Copilot named as People Agent. Now, People Agent is part of the Frontier program. That means it is ready for community feedback discussion. It is still under development. So, this particular agent basically lets you learn about your organization and the people in it. So, it is all about your org related information and the people whom with you deal with day in day out in terms of collaboration. People Agent helps user discover organizational insights from various sources like emails, chats, documents, meetings, etc. It helps user navigate the organizational relationship. It helps you bring context from the chats, meetings, files, and also it helps the person you need to move the work forward. It helps you create that strong work connections within your organization. So people agent basically helps you work smarter. It helps you navigate org relationship. You can use it is used basically when help is needed for preparing a meeting, joining a new team, or maybe looking for someone to unblock the work. So it is all about person's productivity. This is how the agent will look like when you first open after installation. So if you navigate to people frontier agent, you just need to click on open, and then this particular agent will be ready for your disposal. Now this is how the agent interface will look like. Now, as I mentioned to you, it's all about people. So I have my work colleague, whose name is listed over here. So assume that this is like an organization with two people. Now I can ask about that work colleague. I can ask what is the latest information which I shared with that work colleague, and if I want to talk about some particular topic, I can specify that within the Copilot prompt. Now, what I specified over here in the prompt is summarize my most recent comms with in terms of emails, chats, files, meetings in the last 28 days organized by say specific topics. Now I can specifically talk about say one of the project which I'm working with my colleague, or I can talk about diverse topic, or I can only talk about a specific work which I assign to my colleague. Now what happens with that is you need not go into each and every individual team chat or emails, or maybe some other workloads like say OneDrive or Teams meeting. It basically consolidates all the information depending on what prompt you typed, and it will list down all those summaries. Now I'll give you a live example when I navigated to in the Copilot interface. So m365.cloud.microsoft. So over here on the left rail, navigate to all agents. Now if you don't see your agent, so your agent name is people agent, which we are looking into. If you don't find over here in the your agents, but I can see because I installed it, you can navigate to built by Microsoft, and you can navigate to people frontier agent. Now over here you will see an add button if it is not installed. If it is installed, you will see an open button. Once you click on open, you will be able to open that application. Now if you see this button over here, you have an option to view the about, which is the same screen which we have just seen over here. You can share this agent. We can pin this agent on the left rail. So I can go ahead and pin this agent, and at the same time I can go ahead and uninstall the agent. So I can install the agent, I can uninstall the agent. So as you see over here, people frontier agent is available within my left rail. Now if I go into people frontier agent, the agent will be uh, displayed within my screen. And as I mentioned to you, like this is basically an interface through which you can find some more insights from, find some more information about the people or colleague you deal with. And it's all about that communication collaboration within your organizational resources. Now if you want to see what all things you have communicated in the past, you just click on this agent, and you can see all the historical conversation. Now, in this organization tab over here, so you have a home tab and you have an organization tab. You click on organization tab, and this will be specific to your organization. So, as you see, there's one resource working within my organization, and I can ask some questions like how many direct reports uh, exist does this person have? How many employees are in person's organization grouped by managers? I can specify how is person's team distributed across as country. So let's assume this is a big organization and how it is distributed across the country. So those all things I can specify as a prompt. Now, if I go into home tab, here I can ask about what is the latest from this person. Now here when I typed in, when I clicked on what is the latest from this person, see the prompt it has given me. Summarize most recent communications, emails, chats, files, meetings, and action items in the last 28 days organized by topics in less than 400 words. Each topic providing a brief summary and list of action item. So like that, you can specify the format as well. So whether it's coming from email, whether it's coming from the chat, whether it's coming from a file, etc. We'll come to this prompt. How is person's team distributed? So you can even ask provide a structured list of employees in a specific team or a group grouped by country, include direct and indirect reports, reflect changes in the past 7 days, and clearly state if there are no indirect reports. So, if you want to know about the hierarchy within an organization, you can definitely ask that. If I click on see more, you can see a couple of other prompts listed, like help me prepare for my next meeting with a person. So, now if you see over here, it has created a prompt in concise and organized language under 400 words, include meeting information, exec summary in 1 to 2 sentences, highlight open action item, follow up, risk or changes, and 3 to 5 agenda topics. So, if you want to get that gist of the meetings which has taken place or the meeting which is about to be scheduled, then you can ask those things within to this particular agent. There are other prompts, as you see over here. We can see the show me follow up items. So summarize due action items. So if there are any action items with that due, with regards to email, chat, file, meeting, separated into task. I owe the person and task the person owes me. So you can get that summarized information. So this is useful for project manager. So take for example, if you have a big team and you're working on a specific project, and if there's a kickoff meeting for a specific project, and maybe in that kickoff meeting there was some task being assigned to each other by the team members or by the customer, project manager can just go over here and ask for these items and then summarize this information and then send across to all these people in the email. So like that, you can collaborate within your organization. So one example, what is the latest from person? This is the first one which we saw. Here it says summarize most recent comps and action items in the last 28 days. I'd say in the last maybe 10 days, organized by topics, each topic providing a brief summary and list of action. And I will just say, show only Copilot Studio user group topic. So this is one of the work stream which I'm working on. So that's why I'm just restricting that show only Copilot Studio user group topics. Don't talk about any other topics. Plus, I can, if I just put a slash, I can start putting or referencing people or files or meetings or emails or chats or other component. Alternatively, I can upload from my machine or attach a cloud file. And as you see over here, this is the organization view. I can open the organization view. I can open the person's view from this interface itself. So the capability is endless. You can go ahead and get all this information. So I'll just click next, and now it will start summarizing the information. So People Frontier agent kicks off, and it will start looking into the last 10 days information from my emails, chats, files, meetings, and then it will start organizing. And also I have restricted information related to Copilot Studio user group only. So it starts looking into OneDrive, uh, emails, Teams, and then now it has found some of the actionable tasks that are related to some topic. So I conducted one Copilot Studio user group session in Jan 2026. In that, I have asked for call for speakers. I have delivered a topic along with Nehal. So now what it has done, it has first said Jan 2026 session. The topic was reusability using Copilot Studio. When did that meeting occur? What was the file being used in that particular meeting? So I had this recording in my OneDrive, so it has given me that reference, so I need not manually search it. And if you see over here, uh, the action items from the meeting was speaker recruitment. So we wanted speaker for that specific event, so we have invited speakers to speak in that event. Session recording availability, so it has given me the list of like a hyperlink for where the session is located, the recording. And then we have upcoming sessions. So we have one more session coming in Feb 2026. So it has given me that input as well. So past and the future events. Again, these are the slide decks which I just created as a placeholder. And now, if I just scroll down here, you will see that no explicit owner has been assigned. So it is still under like a draft mode. And then I need to assign some component to my colleague. So this is how you can get all those summaries using the people agent. Other than that, there are some options over here. So if you click on three dots, you can have a schedule prompt, send feedback, settings. Now, there are other aspects over here. We can send feedback about the agent. This indicates that it's an enterprise data protection applies to this chat. You can start a new chat, and then you can even start a group chat within the team. As this is all about people, it's all about organization. So this agent gets that extension within teams as well. So that's it, folks. This is all about People Agent within Microsoft 365 Copilot. Thanks for watching.